What if the secret to glowing, youthful skin has been hiding in a simple drink, and everything you thought you knew about tea, coffee, and aging might actually be working against you? My name is Dr. Sandra Lee. Today, I'm going to tell you about a Japanese drink that has been used for generations for glowing skin and anti-aging benefits, and why quitting tea and coffee could be the first step to unlocking the results you've been searching for. I want you to imagine this. Your skin is like a sponge. To stay soft, supple, and radiant, it needs water, nutrients, and a balanced hormonal environment. That's why even if you're religious about your skincare routine, you might still see dullness and early aging signs. So what is the alternative? This is where the Japanese secret drink comes in. For centuries, Japanese women have prioritized internal health as much as topical care, and their longevity and glowing skin are a testament to that. One of their favorite drinks is made from a combination of matcha green tea, yuzu citrus, and a touch of fermented plant extract, often from ginger or Japanese plums. But the key is that it is caffeine balanced and rich in antioxidants that actually protect the skin rather than stress it. What makes it magical isn't just the individual ingredients, it's the synergy of compounds that reduce oxidative stress, promote collagen production, and hydrate the skin from the inside out. Let's break it down. Matcha green tea is high in EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that combats free radicals, which are molecules that damage skin cells and accelerate aging. Unlike black tea or coffee, matcha's antioxidants are concentrated because you consume the whole leaf, not just an infusion. This means you get maximum protection against cellular damage, reduced inflammation, and a boost to your skin's natural repair mechanisms. When combined with yuzu, which is exceptionally high in vitamin C, you're giving your skin the raw materials it needs to produce collagen, brighten dark spots, and improve elasticity. Vitamin C is a superstar in skincare. It's anti-inflammatory, reduces pigmentation, and supports the structural integrity of the skin. Finally, fermented extracts like ginger or umeboshi plums promote gut health. And here's the secret. Healthy gut flora is directly linked to skin health. When your digestive system is balanced, inflammation drops, nutrient absorption improves, and you see fewer breakouts, less redness, and more radiance. Now, how do you actually integrate this into your daily routine? I always tell my patients, consistency is key. You don't need to overhaul your life or spend hours in the kitchen. Just one serving of this drink daily, ideally in the morning instead of your usual coffee, can start to make a noticeable difference in weeks. Start small. Replace your first cup of coffee with this Japanese glow drink. Drink it slowly, savoring the flavor. Hydration combined with antioxidants is the foundation for long-term skin improvement. Over time, you may even notice that your cravings for caffeine decrease naturally because your energy levels stabilize. It's important to be realistic. This drink isn't a miracle cure that will erase wrinkles overnight, but it is a powerful tool in your anti-aging toolkit. Paired with good skincare, regular sleep, stress management, and sun protection, it becomes transformational. Japanese women don't just rely on products, they rely on rituals that combine nutrition, hydration, and mindfulness. Drinking this daily is a ritual, and the effects compound over time. Skin isn't just a reflection of your genetics, it's a mirror of your lifestyle choices. Small, consistent changes are far more effective than occasional splurges on expensive creams or treatments. I also want to address the mental shift here. Quitting tea and coffee can feel like a sacrifice, but reframing it as a form of self-care is crucial. Instead of thinking, I'm giving up my favorite drink, think, I'm choosing something that actively supports my skin, my health, and my longevity. Japanese women understand this philosophy intuitively. They make healthful choices that may seem small day to day, but add up over decades to create radiant skin well into their 50s, 60s, and beyond. When you internalize this approach, you start viewing your daily habits not as temporary changes, but as investments in yourself. Let's talk about additional benefits. This drink is also excellent for energy without the crash. Coffee and tea give you a quick spike, but often followed by a dip that makes you crave more caffeine. A balanced, antioxidant-rich drink stabilizes blood sugar, supports metabolism, and maintains steady energy levels throughout the day. you'll notice fewer mood swings, improved focus, and reduced late afternoon fatigue. And all of this has a direct effect on skin appearance. Stress, fluctuating energy, and hormonal spikes can worsen breakouts, redness, and dullness. By replacing stimulants with this anti-aging Japanese drink, you're not just preventing aging, you're actively creating the internal environment your skin needs to thrive. Now, some of you may be thinking, Dr. Lee, what if I can't give up coffee entirely? And I hear you, the transition can be gradual. I often suggest starting with one coffee-free day per week and replacing it with this Japanese drink. Gradually increase the number of days until your body naturally adjusts. You might be surprised how quickly your taste preferences shift. Matcha, yuzu, and fermented extracts have subtle, naturally sweet flavors that your body begins to crave once it experiences sustained hydration, improved gut balance, and reduced inflammation. Many patients report that after a few weeks, their coffee cravings diminish and they feel lighter, more energetic, and notice smoother, softer skin. Hydration cannot be overstated here. Japanese women drink this alongside other low-sugar herbal teas or plain water throughout the day. Skin health is 70% internal. Hydration, diet, gut balance, and inflammation control. The topical products you use matter, yes, but if your body is internally dehydrated or inflamed, even the most expensive creams won't deliver the glow you're hoping for. This drink addresses hydration, provides antioxidants, and gently supports detoxification, which reduces puffiness, improves tone, and enhances radiance naturally. It's also worth mentioning that this drink works beautifully with other lifestyle habits that slow aging. Adequate sleep, daily movement, mindful eating, and sun protection are all part of the equation. Think of this Japanese anti-aging drink as the foundation, the thing you build your other habits on. Without it, even perfect skincare routines may struggle to overcome the subtle, everyday damage caused by caffeine, inflammation, and dehydration. But with it, you're giving your skin a fighting chance to repair, renew, and glow from the inside out. Finally, I want to emphasize one key point: patience and observation. Skin transformation doesn't happen overnight. Expect subtle changes in the first few weeks: less puffiness, a slight glow, better hydration, and more significant improvements over months. Take photos, note how your skin feels, and pay attention to changes in energy, digestion, and overall wellness. These small markers help reinforce the habit and show you the long-term benefits. Trust the process. The women in Japan aren't chasing quick fixes. They're investing in decades of skin health with small daily rituals. So here's my challenge to you. Put down that coffee or tea tomorrow morning and try this Japanese glowing anti-aging drink instead. Drink it slowly, mindfully, and consistently. Notice how your energy feels, how your skin responds, and how your body stabilizes. Over time, you'll see a natural, healthy radiance emerge. A glow that comes not from makeup or filters, but from real internal wellness. This is the secret that Japanese women have known for centuries, and it's accessible to you today. Your skin, your energy, and your future self will thank you. Remember, glowing, youthful skin is a combination of internal care and external habits. Replacing stimulants with a nutrient-rich, antioxidant-packed Japanese drink is a powerful first step. Combine it with hydration, balanced nutrition, sun protection, and mindful living, and you have a formula that not only slows aging, but actively promotes regeneration and vitality. Start today, be consistent, and watch the transformation unfold. Your skin isn't just your outer layer, it's a reflection of your choices, your lifestyle, and the care you give yourself. Make those choices wisely, and your skin will reward you for decades to come.